What's up, y'all? Jalicious21. I'm here. I got Alexa right here. For a while, I've been without reverse lights because I used the reverse lights as an extra brake light. If you look, when I did my retrofit, I have my regular tail lights here. Right here is what a reverse light originally was, but I've painted it red, and now it assists with brake lights. So brake lights are extra bright. Um, I'm gonna demonstrate that right now for you so you can see what it looks like. Okay, you see that's what a reverse light used to be, but now that's part of the brake light. So I had to come up with an alternative on how to on what to do for reverse light, and I want y'all to look and tell me if you see where the new reverse light is. I'll take a second, give y'all like 5 seconds to try to see if you can spot the new reverse light. No. Okay, I didn't think so. I like to do my work very hidden and low profile. I don't like things to be so obvious and look tacky, but this is my new reverse lights. If you see these LED light strips here, they're black and they're really thin, so they blend in. They blend in with the chrome trim here under the Acura. If you see that, you see that is my new reverse lights, and I'll demonstrate how they look right here in a second. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate the reverse now. Yep, that is reverse. They're pretty bright, pretty good amount of light coming from there when you're trying to back up. Okay, and all right, gonna do it one more time just so you can see. That is the reverse. You already seen the light mods that I did with the turn signal already. That's the turn signal. It's on the mirrors. Did a bunch of light mods. That takes the place of one of the tail lights at the top there, top portion. That's a lot of light as well. You already know about the daytime running light mod. That's been like a thing that I did a long time ago. Y'all know about it already. So I'll take you inside so you can see the gauges that I've done. Most of y'all already know about the gauges too. Did that like a super long time ago, and they changed colors. I can use the RGB remote to manually set the color to one color, but right now I got it fading. It's fading out to different colors. And yeah, that's pretty much the lighting situation with Alexa.